Welcome to the world of Hugging Face, the ultimate resource for machine learning engineers and AI developers. In Hugging Face in action, you will learn how to unlock the full potential of the Hugging Face platform. With hundreds of open source models, from transformers for natural language processing to tools for computer vision, Hugging Face simplifies the process of building AI applications. Dive into NLP tasks with Hugging Face transformers and pipelines. You'll discover how easy it is to access state-of-the-art models for translation, sentiment analysis, and text generation. Not just for language. Hugging Face in action shows you how to leverage Hugging Face for computer vision's tasks too. Handling data is a breeze with Hugging Face datasets, and if you're ready to train models faster, the AutoTrain functionality helps you do just that. Plus, you will even explore creating AI agents for autonomous task execution. Curious about LLM-based applications? Hugging Face has got powerful tools like LangChain and Llama Index, letting you build conversational AI and other intelligent systems with ease. And when it's time to make your AI applications user-friendly, Gradio allows you to create web-based interfaces in just a few lines of code. And for those of you who prefer working locally, you will also learn how to run LLM-based applications with GPT-4o and use large language models to query your own data. So whether you are looking for a state-of-the-art transformer library, a platform to host your models, or just a simple way to create stunning user interfaces, Hugging Face in Action has everything you need to bring your AI projects to life.